Every day's a new adventure, daylights renewed, embracing those who view the enter. Captivated by the vibes of our YouTube channel. Hit subscribe on your YouTube handle, Ian and Tina now.
Our mystery guest is here. This is.
It's been a long time since you've seen it.
Yeah, but not a strange face to the vlogs. Alright, you know, Z, we're in her place. If there's sunshine, it's her place.
Yeah,
so,
I just need to go and get my bikini on, guys, okay?
So let's go do this. Room tour before we create a mess in this place. So this right here is our living room stroke chill room stroke dining room stroke bedroom, right? So as you can see, there's a fold-away bed there with third party. We have a TV, a lamp, got a little bit of flowers decoration going on there. Sofa, a little kitchenette with your, you know, glasses, plates. You've got an electric stove with an oven, got a microwave, got kettle, got a refrigerator. Oops, how do we open this? There we go, got a little bottle of water. What's at the bottom?
Fish and chips.
There we go, that's your freezer. This is your bathroom. It's very spacious, I must say. Yeah? Toilet, bidet, and shower. And on to the main event. This is the bedroom. It's got a 4-poster bed, not so bad. Got mirrors. That's your closet, that's your safe, complimentary Prosecco, a little bit of flower decoration up here. It's pretty okay. And that's pretty much it. Got some hand decoration. Got a little flower in the bed there. Decent mattress, firm. And she comes with the apartment. If you guys should ever stay here, she comes with the apartment. At a special price, of course, what she does. And that's pretty much it. Later on, we will show you a tour of the outside. Hey, people!
Oh, we are back!
Yeah, so
shopping.
we actually got outside. We actually unpacked. Got semi-dressed somewhat. This, you know, this is what we're working with at the moment. We went to the supermarket. Thanks to Mateo, the proprietor for this place. He decided that instead of us walking down to the nearby one, he took us to
a bigger one.
A bigger and better one.
Yeah.
So we just kind of we just grab a randomization of items.
Very
so,
random.
you know, we've got a little bit of this, a little bit of that, something to eat, something to drink. And you know what? Money well spent in Spain.
Yeah.
All of that right there came to...
4
Okay. 77 euros and 14 cents. That's what that means. I can't say whether or not her Spanish was good right there. I did remember to say sorry. We take mucho tiempo. Anyway, Z over there is in her bikini. She is ready to go into the pool.
I am. I'm just checking on my friend too because my friend's sick. So.
Yeah, so we definitely.
I'm ready. Woo!
So
I'm about to get ready. I'll put this stuff away and then I'm about to to get ready.
Yeah, plus we got a complimentary bubbly. We have to,
yes, we have
we
to
have
crack
to
that.
crack that, definitely. Oh. This is the current situation. Got one there that's taking her suntan.
Yep.
And we're definitely not here to take suntan. We're about to go over there. You understand? That's where we're gonna be in the shade. That's the difference between being white and black. But in saying so, my man gave us a welcome drink.
Yep.
And it's only right that we
Open it in Christmas vacation.
open it and christen it. So they stretch your arm out there, make sure you got everybody in frame. Yeah. Yeah, you got everybody in frame. So we're about to get this vacation.
Yes,
This is a getaway vacation. You know? Man, look at that.
A long weekend.
It's what? We're in February and I'm without shirt. Yeah. Ain't that crazy?
Ain't that good?
So we gotta love it. 4.5 hours away from Switzerland.
From the snow.
Man. And here we are. Are you covering your face? I thought you wanted to be tanned all over.
I am, just like I can't see the camera as if I'm pointing it the right way.
Hold it right there and don't move. So, to our getaway in Spain.
Yay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
2020. We should be vacationing plenty. Yes. So, because you're the ladies, I'm gonna give you all the champagne glass because my man only gave us two champagne glass. Keep us in frame. Got a rookie vlogger here. There we go. Right there. Keep us in frame. There we go. We're about to take that off you in a minute. Okay, so that's you.
Thank you, thank you.
Hold on. And that's for myself. I have to have mine in a wine glass. But there you go. There you go. See?
Thanks.
Okay. Now let the professional handle this all over again. So, hey!
Cheers.
To Spain, to Tenerife, to the Canary Islands.
Yum yum.
All right. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna leave you in this sun
Why?
because I'm not here to get a tan. Ooh-wee. Oh, we got a little thingy there for it. Oh, there we go. You can come and. Oh, you're going in the water.
Oh, it's warm.
I thought you were coming to join.
I see no shade.
I thought you were coming to join the real peeps. Woohoo! Check Z out. Woo!
This is the life.
Man, this is life.
This is the life.
Joys of being white, I can lay in the sun.
February. You need to come here. This is the good life right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Relax and chill.
Yeah, check that out, huh?
In February.
In February. Let me sip on my complimentary bubbly.
These flies might really get on the nerves.
That's the only thing. I haven't seen flies in a while.
I know, that's
You
true.
know?
We don't have flies in Scotland.
I didn't get you.
That's the only thing. We haven't seen flies in a minute.
Right.
See her over there? Trying to be provocative. Wife for life never fails. She made us a little snacky snack to go with our sunny day. Because here's the thing, we did a bad combination. We didn't get enough sleep. 2, we didn't eat anything. And 3, we start having bubbly on a hungry belly. Yeah?
So I've got a migraine now.
So somebody's suffering from a migraine. So we're about to feed her and feed myself. the other parties over there.
Made some cover too. Come on.
Because he likes the sun more than anything else. So we're gonna eat and we'll keep you guys posted. Not too sure if this vlog's gonna just cut up in pieces because it's been a long, lengthy vlog thus far. Alright, so keep you guys posted.
Ciao for now.